Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June the 1st to June the 3rd. Now Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit a Z notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yung una pong channel natin is catered for our international audience. So meron din po mga reading doon, no? Take advantage of viewing it. And Virgo, kung wala naman po kayong time para sumali sa ating live sessions, sa comment section ng video na ito, as long as your question is answerable by yes or no, by all means drop it. Kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, might as well use the form sa description box po, no? Either you have to click the link or copy the link, no? Then there is a drop down there. Type in your question, follow the instructions, basahin po mabuti, and click submit. Or if you want to avail our private reading, dun din po yun sa description box, no? So Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Virgo, simulan na natin. So ang nakikita ko dito, ang iniisip mo, bakit ang tagal, no? Ang tagal, bigyan ako ng peace of mind ng aking person, no? It felt like that meron din dito mga promises, pero sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na naniniwala akong ibibigay sa akin. Naniniwala ako na gagawin ng person ko ang mga pangako niya. Ang laki ng faith kasi kumbaga sinisecure ka naman ni person, no? Merong mga sabihin nating loopholes na pwedeng sabihin na minsan nagda-doubt ka rin, pero kumbaga kahit papano nag-e-effort. Baka either kulang lang sa mga funds, sabihin natin, sa time, pwedeng sabihin natin, or yung opportunity. Pero nakikita mo naman yung effort ni person. Unti-unti, pero nakikita mo, kaya ganun kalakas yung faith, no? Ng iyong paniniwala sa person mo. With the 8 of coins, the Knight of Swords, and the 8 of Cups. So kung meron ditong pangako na dadaling ka sa ibang bansa for work, no, nakikita ko matutupad naman yon para sa ibang Virgo. Now with the Knight of Swords and 8 of Cups, medyo ang inaano lang natin dito is bakit kasi Knight of Swords parang ang ine-expect natin medyo nung pinangako niya may specific date. Pero parang naurong ng naurong. So parang kinakabahan ka dito na totoo bang gagawin niya? Or ako pa kaya yung mahal niya? With the Sun and the Empress, it felt like there is some fear in here na baka merong ginagawa, yung person mo behind your back. I'm seeing a bit of a distance in here. The person might be in a different either city, state, county, country, different continent, no? But with the Empress, I feel like I think that yung inaantay mo rin dito, no? Para meron either ikaw yung may magandang balita sa kanya, yung iba sa inyo parang, hey, we're going to have a family with the 4 of Swords, the 10 of Cups, the Queen of Swords. I feel like whoever this is na merong bit-bit, no? Na magandang balita. I feel like this is the key for the both of you to either be in cohabitation or living in together, or sabihin natin, if this is not living in together, proposal, marriage is already here with the Ace of, or really building a family kung meron na kayo, no? With the Ace of Wands and the King of Cups. Now, kung married na at my kids, baka madagdagan pa itong kids. With the King of Cups and the Ace of Wands, I think that there is a surprise. I feel like there's something about here, yung union. Sex, is also here. Or making love. No, let's disregard the word sex. So it's more of making love. And it felt like we're building a new family. We're building a family, or I'm going to accept, no, your kids and mine. Yan. So, ang nakikita ko dito, seryoso, di ba? Napakaseryoso ng kung saan papunta ito, Virgo. So, yan ang iyong reading for now. No, so, tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, no? I am also seeing Cancer, no? Uh, did I just say Taurus? Yes. It could also be Virgo and Capricorn. So this is your reading for now. So, Virgo, maraming salamat po sa panonood. And for those of you who's new to the channel, maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste and see you po, no? Doon sa susunod na reading. Maraming salamat, Virgo. Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June 1st to June the 3rd. Taurus, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayong mga ibang reading doon. That's a totally different reading. Pero kung wala po kayong time or hindi nyo maabutan yung live sessions, don't worry, pwede po kayong magtanong dito po sa comment section sa YouTube, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So kung feeling nyo naman hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, don't worry kasi dito po sa comment section, sa description box rather, meron po doon yung link. It's either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your question, follow the instructions, submit the form, and sasagutin po natin yan. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, doon din po yan sa description box. Basahin nyo na lang, no? So, Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, parang nonchalant, Taurus, no? Itong inyong pakiramdam ngayon. No, parang sa'yo wala ka nang pakialam kung aayusin mo yung relasyon natin, no? Parang nawalan ako ng gana, no? Bahala ka sa buhay mo, no? Kasi parang napagod ka, nakikita ko dito yung pagod, no? Kasi madami ding pangako na mga sinabi na hindi naman natupad. So parang sa'yo, ay naku, kesa may stress ako, no? Nang kakaisip kung kailan mo gagawin yan, I would rather focus on myself, di ba? Ang nakikita ko dito with the time for enough, ito nga yung parang sinasabi natin na kesera-sera, no? Kung ano yung mangyayari, pero ayoko nang magalit, no? Ayokong sumaya, ayoko ding magalit, mas focus ako sa sarili ko, no? The Emperor, the Ace of Swords, and the Two of Cups. So parang sa'yo, sinabi mo dito, nagawa ko na lahat, di ba? Nagawa ko na yung dapat kong gawin, ayoko nang, makipagtalo, napatunayan ko na yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. And for that, I think, wala na tayong dapat pag-usapan pa, no? Kasi kung meron dapat kumilos dito, no, ito na yung person mo. With the Wheel of Fortune, binigay mo na talaga lahat. Even yung mga, naging para ka nga ditong sabihin natin, genie, no? Your wish is my command. So, hindi man natin na ibibigay lahat, pero gumagawa tayo ng paraan para ibigay ito sa person natin. Ngayon ang sinasabi mo dito, since this is a romance, no? Dapat reciprocative ito. Hindi yung parang nagbibigay lang ako, di sana nagtayo na lang ako ng foundation, di ba? So, wala akong ine-expect. Pero this is romance. So, dapat two-way street ito. Kapag meron kang binigay, I'm hoping na masuklian man lang, di ba? With the 8 of coins, the 5 of coins, and the 2 of coins. Dumating ka na dito sa point na nagdadalawang isip ka na. You're sitting on a fence whether it is you're gonna leave the connection, or either just focus on work. Ito nga yung sinabi ko, nonchalant ka na, no? With the 2 of coins in here, mas focus ko ang sarili ko. No, with the strength card and the two of wands. I feel like there is separations in here, but the separation is more of energetic. When we say energetic separation, ito po yung hindi mo muna siya kinakausap. Wala pa naman totally, no? Kumbaga, hindi pa siya in total separation na sabihin natin na um, naghiwalay talaga or it could be, pero ang sa'yo is ayokong maki-mingle, no? Ayokong maki-engage, no? Kung gagawin mo, then good for us. Kung hindi, if that works for you, no, works for you. Pero sa akin, I'm focusing on myself. Nawalan ng amor. Yon, nawalan tayo ng amor, nawalan tayo ng gana dahil sa mga pangakong hindi naman tinutupad or dahil sa mga bagay na paulit-ulit ng person mo na ginagawa, no? So yan ang iyong reading for now. So check natin ang zodiac sign, no, ng ng person mo. I am seeing Leo, I'm seeing a Taurus, I'm seeing Virgo, I'm also seeing Capricorn, Aries, Pisces, no? Yan. So, or kapwa Taurus din, yan. So this is your reading for now. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell, sumali sa live sessions, magtanong sa comment section as long as it's answerable by yes or no. Gumamit po ng form, no? Sa description box, there is a link. Follow the instructions kung gusto nyong mag-avail ng ating private reading. Nandun po yan sa description box. So, maraming salamat sa panonood, Taurus. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hi Scorpio! Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Scorpio, June 1st to June the 3rd. Ayan, Scorpio, for those of you po na bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo po ay gumagawa ng bagong video, no? So, Scorpio, para po doon sa mga gusto ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong daily ilalabas sa Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? At nagla-live din po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. So kung gusto niyo sumali, subscribe na rin kayo, Babaylan TV, no? Scorpio, kung wala po kayong time sa live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po, no? So Scorpio, kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayong link sa description box. Either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit, follow the instructions. And if you also want to avail the private reading, by all means po, no? Nasa description box na rin po yun. So Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Scorpio, parang nag-i-stay na lang tayo sa isang situation or relationship na parang inaantay ko na lang siyang mawala, no? Inaantay ko na lang matigil. Kasi parang sa'yo, parang mas okay yata na I'm better off without the person. Ito parang nagkakaroon kayo ng labuan, no? So there is definitely some separations in here, whether it is a physical separation or an energetic separation. Ayaw mo naman magsimula, no, na I want to call it quits. Ayaw mo naman ng ganon. So you're just waiting for, the love to fade. Yun yung nakikita ko dito, Scorpio. Kasi parang feeling mo, you wanted to explore. I think nag-expand ka, no? There's something that you probably like then that you don't like now, no? With the Five of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Chariot. I feel like marami kang mga bagay na pinalagpas, opportunities na give up for this connection, and you feel like kung sana mas inuna ko yung mga opportunities na yon rather than this relationship, no? By all means, sumaya naman tayo sa relasyon na to. Pero sana yung nasa iyo, yung iniisip mo ngayon, sana nakita ko yung pinaghandaan ko yung future. Ano? Was the Death card and the Three of Coins. Kung maibabalik mo lang yung panahon, mas sana pinili mo muna ang iyong sarili, no? Yun yung napapansin ko dito. Kung kumbaga, if you can turn back the hands of time, no, you would rather pause, yung mga decision makings than making a decision right off the bat. With the Temperance, the Four of Wands, and the Two of Coins. So ngayon, ang feeling ko naman dito, ang inuuna mo is yung sarili mo. For the future, I think feeling mo kasi mas uunlad ka kung ikaw lang ang kikilos mag-isa. Whether there is, kind of something happened, bad things happened with you and your person, or there's none, you would kind of iniisip na siguro ako na lang muna. No? With the Queen of Coins and the Nine of Wands, I feel like you're starting to probably think of something that we can say pang sarili muna. Hindi ka makasariling tao. That's different. You're not selfish, no? Kasi at one point in time, binigay mo naman din lahat. Ang sayo lang is, kung hindi ko to ma-achieve with my person, mas okay sigurong ako lang muna, no? And then probably who knows, 'di ba? Pagdating naman ng panahon, baka kung kami pa din, no? So nandito ka sa strong decision making and sarili mo muna ang gusto mong intindihin. So tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Virgo, I'm seeing Sagittarius, um, yeah, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer, no? Pisces. So this is your reading for now, Scorpio. So again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit a zing notification bell at kung gusto niyo ng dalawang reading sa akin, well, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Take advantage of all the opportunities here, how to ask a question sa comment section sa form. If you also want to avail the private reading, by all means po, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Scorpio. Hi, Sagittarius. Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Sagittarius, June 1st to June the 3rd. So, Sagittarius, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the zing notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, everyday po magre-release tayo doon sa Babaylan TV. So, take advantage of the readings. Magkaibang reading po yun at nagla-live din po tayo sa Babaylan TV. No? So, kung hindi kayo makachempo sa live sessions, pwede din po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Okay po? So, Sagittarius, kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayong form, no? Dito po sa description box. All you just have to do is either click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your question, follow the instruction, click submit. Or if you want to avail the private reading, nasa description box din po, no? Yung information. Ayan. So, Sagis, I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? Sagittarius, magsimula na tayo. So, ang nakikita ko dito parang someone here made a decision and you feel like, hindi to para sa akin, no? Baka kasi na-entice lang ako nung una, yun kumbaga nainganyo ko, it felt so promising, ngayon gusto ko nang bumalik, no? Either this is you, Sajis, or your person, it doesn't matter. What I am reading in here is yung pong dynamics, no? At yung nangyayari sa situation. So parang meron ditong nakapag-decide na mali yata yung decision ko, gusto ko nang bumalik sa amin or gusto ko nang bumalik sa partner ko. Marami kong gustong sabihin, marami kong gustong aminin, marami kong mga bagay na dapat kumbaga i-reveal, no? With the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Magician. So I feel like at one point in time, meron kang or meron to, either your person na meron decision making na parang sinabi, either sinabi sa iyo hindi ka naman pumayag or sinabi mo hindi siya pumayag, pero kasi nakikita mo yung options or your opportunity and you made a decision yourself. And I feel like sana nakinig ako, no? Sana pinakinggan ko yung mga sinabi, payo with the Ten of Cups and the Six of Coins. Sana mas nag-focus ako sa amin, no? Whether it is either a third party options, I'm seeing options, so which means options can be another party, a third party situation. Whether it is a third party can also be a job, no? As long as nahati, no? Yung energies or attention, no? With the Moon card, the Five of Swords, and the Star, it felt like kung yung person mo na ito, yung gustong bumalik, I think nagtatanong siya, no, na mahal pa rin kaya niya ako? Do I still have a spark, no, katulad ng dati? Wait lang, inom lang ako konti. Ganun pa rin kaya yung nararamdaman niya sa akin, no? Welcome pa kaya ako sa buhay niya? No, yun yung mga katanungan. I feel like with the Ace of Wands and the Ten of Swords, kasi parang nakikita niya dito na either you already moved on or you're starting to move on, no? So kung either nauna ka nang mag-move on or nagsisimula ka nang mag-move on, ayaw naman niya ding isipin na ginugulo niya yung buhay mo. So hindi niya alam dito yung gagawin. It's either should I approach my person, or should I approach my Sagittarius, or should I wait here, no? For my Sagittarius to approach me, pero gustong-gusto ko nang bumalik sa kanya, no? So ito ang iyong reading for now. Sagittarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So what I am seeing in here is Kapwa Sagittarius, Leo, Aquarius, Pisces, Taurus, Cancer, Aries, Scorpio, no? Virgo. So this is your reading for now. And Sagittarius, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, dito po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. May ibang readings din po tayo. It's a bit of a complicated reading dun sa kabilang channel. Take advantage of things or ways on how to ask questions. And if you want to avail the private reading, nasa description box po. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June 1st to June the 3rd, no? Pisces, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po na sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yon, Babaylan TV. no? Meron din po tayong mga readings po doon sa ating kabilang channel. So, might as well take advantage of viewing it. No, Pisces, kung wala po kayong time at hindi nyo ma-tsempuhan ang ating live sessions, well, dito po sa comment section, no? Pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Now, if in case hindi kayo masasatisfy, alam niyo deep inside hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, then meron po sa description box ng video na ito, yung link. All you have to do is either to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page, type in your questions, follow the instructions, and submit the form. No? Kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, dito din po yun sa description box. Pakibasa na lang. No? So Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. So Pisces, simulan na natin. So parang sa'yo, napapansin mo ay merong nata-take advantage ako. Merong iba, no? Nung una naniniwala pa ako pero ngayon nakakita ko ng mga loophole. I smell something fishy, sabi ni Pisces, no? Parang hindi ko na masyadong binibili, no? Yung mga excuses, hindi ko rin masyadong pinag-iintindi ngayon yung mga sinasabi sa akin. Naguguluhan na ako kasi parang yung person ko pa iba-iba ng mga sinasabi. No, and I think na meron ditong sabihin nating involved na other people na nakakarinig ka ng mga bali-balita, either sabihin nating information from a friend of a friend of a friend, or it could be a post na natag, sabihin natin na ganyan. And then nasasabi mo, parang hindi naman ito yung sinabi. Nagkakaroon tayo ng kutob. And iba kasi kapag kinutuban itong si Pisces. Kasi Pisces is very sensitive, no? When it comes to spirituality and when it comes to their gift. With the Six of Swords in here, the Two of Swords, and the Chariot. Especially nung sinabi nito na umalis siya or na pumunta siya sa kaibigan. No? I feel like with the Six of Swords dito, hinayaan mo lang. Pero yung deep inside, alam mo sa sarili mo na merong nangyayaring iba. No? Kumbaga, tumating na rin dun sa point na habang nag-explain itong person mo, nakatitig ka na lang, tapos inaantay mo na magsabi siya kasi deep inside, alam mo, nagsisinungaling siya. No? Tapos inaantay mo na lang na magsabi siya ng totoo. No? Hindi niya alam na parang meron kang hint kung ano ang nangyayari with the Judgment and the Knight of Coins. So, when we say the Knight of Coins, so parang naging stagnant, no? Kumbaga meron ka ditong either shocking news, either ngayon mo lang siya nakita na nagkaganon, ngayon mo lang siya parang napansin na meron talagang tinatago. No, with the Judgment in here, nandun ka pa rin sa point na, sige, I'm giving the person the benefit of the doubt, pero more of wini-weigh-in ko, and I'm seeing more of a lie rather than more of what? Rather than more of telling me the truth with the Ten of Coins, the Two of Wands, and the Temperance. Lalo na pag pinag-usapan natin dito yung pera, no? Saan napunta yung pera or saan napunta either yung inutang mo sa akin with the Two of Wands. So parang hinahanap ko siya, hindi ko naman siya makita. Parang hindi ako naniniwala na doon siya napunta, no? I think that with the Queen of Wands and the High Priestess in here, meron ka lang kakausapin or meron nagbalita sa'yo, and I think you want to confirm. And I think it's for a few numbers of you kinonfirm nyo na with the High Priestess. It felt like you're still gauging kasi hindi mo naman masabi na kailangan awayin ko agad yung person, no? Pero dumating ka na dun sa part na, tinatakpan ko yung tenga ko kasi I don't believe you anymore, no? So this is your reading for now, Pisces. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo, no? I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm also seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Cancer. Uh, yeah, Sagittarius. So this is your reading for now. Pisces. And for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung gusto niyo sumali sa live session sa kabilang channel din po, magtanong sa comment section, gumamit ng form through the description box. And kung gusto niyo mag-avail ng ating private reading, dun din po yan sa description box. So this is your reading for now. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Pisces. Hi Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June 1st to June the 3rd, no? Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell kung para po ma-notify kayo every time tayo nagre-release ng bagong video, no? Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, moving forward, magre-release din po tayo ng reading doon every day. Ayan. So, Libra, yan. Kung gusto niyo po sumali sa live session, sa kabilang channel din po yun, Babaylan TV, no? Welcome po kayong magtanong sa live sessions. So kung hindi po kayo makaabot sa live sessions, dito po sa comment section, pwede naman po kayong magtanong as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no lang na sagot, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dong form. No? I think you need to click the link or copy the link para forward po kayo or ma-route kayo dun sa website. May form po doon. Take advantage of it. Read the instructions and then click submit. If you also want to avail yung private reading, dito po yun sa description box din. So Libra, this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Libra, ang nakikita ko dito parang mapapatid na, no? Yung PC mo, konting-konti na lang. I feel like you're about to give up. Sobrang bigat na, sobrang magulo na, sobrang hindi na nagkakaintindihan, ang layo na, no? Kung meron kayong mga topic na sinimulan, parang ang layo na rin ng, kumbaga, napunta na kayo kung saan-saan, no? To a point na nagkabungkalan na ng mga past, no? Yung past na ginawa, na hindi pa pala napapatawad. Alam mo yon, dumating ka na dun sa part na eto na ako, baka nga hindi na siya para sa akin or baka hindi ito yung relasyong para sa akin. With the 9 of Wands, the 4 of Cups, sobrang pagod na to, no? And the 8 of Wands, ayaw mo na rin magpaliwanag, no? Kumbaga, dumating ka na sa part na either ayaw mo na magpaliwanag or ayaw mo na rin marinig ang paliwanag niya. You're just waiting for this relationship to end. Parang ganon. Ayaw mo naman mauna, no? Dun sa part na ako na yung makikipaghiwalay, no? Yung kumbaga, ano ba to? Yung you're staying in one place, you're not happy, and you're no longer complain. Ganun yung kapagod, kumbaga namanhid ka, 'di ba? Namanhid ka. If dumating na rin dun sa part na meron ng embrace, doon sa idea of kung hindi kami, no? With the 9 of Coins and the Magician, you're focusing on your own happiness. You're focusing on things that will make you happy. I think na give up mo na rin yung sabihin natin, I don't care anymore kung total ganun naman ang tingin mo sa akin, no? Might as well hindi sa gawin ko, no? Might as well gawin ko na lang yung nakakapagpasaya sa akin, no? Hindi ko naman mababago yung kung ano yung iniisip mo. With the World card, the 5 of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune, nakita ko rin dito na parang binago ka, no? Ng relasyon na ito. To a point na, well, siguro meron din tayo dito dapat isisi kasi no, sisihin yung sarili natin. Dahil with the Five of Swords, kumbaga, hinayaan din natin, no? At one point in time, sinabi natin sa sarili natin, sige, gagawin ko to for the sake of love. Pero ngayon, not anymore, no? Wala din naman kasing sense pala yung ginagawa ko with the Three of Cups and the Ten of Cups. Pero nakikita ko dito, hindi ito ang katapusan nitong relasyon na ito. I feel like nagkagulo lang either because of a third party situation or nagkagulo lang because of susol, no, or marites ng ibang tao. Kumbaga, nagkasabit-sabit, no, yung mga bagay-bagay which is hindi naman talaga dapat nangyayari. Eh, kaso nandiyan na, nangyari na, anong gagawin natin, no? With the Ten of Cups in here, time heal all wounds. Dadating pa rin yung part na kahit ngayon, nasasabi mo, you're giving up. I feel like maayos pa rin ito in time. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Scorpio, I'm seeing Taurus, I am seeing Virgo, no? Cancer, Leo, Aries. So this is your reading for now, Libra. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, might as well, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Take advantage po on how on many ways on how you can ask questions from me. If you want to avail the private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Leo June 1st to June the 3rd. So Leo, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, mag-subscribe na rin po kayo doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, medyo complicated ang readings po doon. And if you also want to join our live session, sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. Kung feeling nyo hindi kayo or hindi nyo naaabutan, no, itong live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ngayon po, kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, gumamit po kayo ng form sa description box po. No, either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. Follow the instructions, that's very important. Or if you also want to avail, no, your private reading, nasa description box din po yan. Ayan, so Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So Leo, ang nakikita ko dito parang medyo paayos na, no, ang problema. Medyo humuhupa na yung galit, whether ikaw yung galit, whether yung person mo yung galit. Someone here is waiting, for the other person to just approach. I think kung sino man yung nakagawa ng kasalanan, ready na siya mag-sorry. Ang hindi niya pa ginagawa, it's because kasi feeling niya heightened pa yung emotion ng isa. So kung heightened pa yung emotion ng isa, baka pa nag-approach ako, bigla naman akong, sigawan or i-reject, sayang lang, no? So I am waiting for the other person to lower down their guards, no? Pero madami na siyang naiisip on how to apologize. With the Ace of Cups, the Two of Coins, and the Ten of Wands. I think yung separation na to, yung nangyaring separation na ito, napagtanto niya, how important Leo is, sa buhay niya, or gaano kaimportante itong relasyon para sa kanya. Kasi ang nakita ko dito, hirap na hirap siya, no, with the Ten of Wands. Nung nagkaroon kayo ng separation, no, parang nandun niya naisip na, ay, hindi ko pala kayang mawala si Leo. With the Two of Cups in here and the Knight of Wands, doon niya rin naisip na ganun din pala kalalim, no, itong nararamdaman ko kay Leo. Parang meron talagang push ngayon na I want to put the connection into another level of commitment. I want to, let's say, sabihin natin na gawing mas seryoso ang mga bagay-bagay. With the Five of Wands, the Devil card, and the High Priestess, nako, sising-sisi siya dahil I think naging pasaway itong person mo. Ngayon, nung parang bumigay ka, umayaw ka, para siyang nabuhusan ng malamig na tubig. Parang sabi niya, uy, hindi ko ini-expect na magi-give up si Leo sa akin. Hindi ko ini-expect na magiging ganito, no? Mabibitawan niya ako ng bibitawan niya ako. So, with the King of Coins in here and the Nine of Swords, binigyan mo kasi siya ng leksyon, no? Yun ang nakikita ko, may leksyon kang binigay sa kanya na, oh, kala mo ha, hindi ko kaya, di ba? Kala mo lang yon. Ngayon, stress na stress siya. Kumbaga, paano ko babalik, no, kay Leo? Paano ko siya i-approach? Lalo na ngayon na medyo galit na galit siya or medyo malaki yung kasalanang nagawa ko, no? I think hindi nakakatulog itong person mo nang kakaisip sa iyo. Hindi siya nakakatulog dahil sobra yung kanyang pag-aalala, no? Para magkaroon ng, sabihin natin, maayos yung relasyon ninyong dalawa. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Capricorn, I am seeing Leo, Pisces, of Virgo, Aries, Scorpio, no? Yeah, so this is your reading, Leo, para or kapwa Leo din, di ba? Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? So this is your reading, Leo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Don't forget po, no, pwede kayong magtanong, take advantage on those ways on how to ask questions from me. Ayan. Maraming salamat. And see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hi Gemini! Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Gemini June 1st to June 3rd. No? Gemini, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nag-release ng bagong video. No? Moving forward, gumagawa din po tayo ng everyday video sa kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So medyo complicated yung mga readings doon. If you want to check, you're very much welcome. At nagla-live din po tayo doon sa Babaylan TV. No? So kung gusto nyo sumali, welcome po kayo. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section. As long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron pa rin po kayong form na pwede kayo mag-type, no? Dito po sa description box, nandun po yung link, no? Either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Meron po dong form. You can drop down the form, type in your question, read the instructions, and click submit. If you also want to avail the private reading, nandun din po yun sa kabilang channel. No? I mean, sa description box, rather. Ayan, so Gemini, this is a general reading. I want you to know that you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading or the entire reading per se. Take what's only yours. Gemini. So parang sa'yo, either kinakabahan ka or ready ka na, no? Kasi parang nakikita mo na seryoso na itong relasyon or paseryoso na. So parang nakakakaba, yung parang bang na-imagine mo yung sarili mo walking down the aisle, no? Or nakikita mo yung sarili mo kung lalaki ka naman, you're waiting for your person to walk down the aisle, no? Nandun na yung imagination natin papunta na sa kasal na, no? Or either building a family. Ngayon, kasi hindi ka, siguro wala ka pang experience sa ganitong relasyon, no? Na ganito kaseryoso. Kaya medyo excited, na kinakabahan, na medyo hindi natin alam kung ano yung totoo nating nararamdaman, pero alam mo masaya, no? Masaya na nakakatakot na ewan. With the Sun, the Page of Coins, and the Eight of Cups, ang dumating pa nga doon sa part na either yung ibang Gemini dito, no? Either kailangan may iwan kang ibang tao, just to pursue this person, or kung hindi naman, nagkaroon kayo ng separations before, na kinontinue na nila lang itong relationship ninyo. With the Six of Coins and the Ten of Coins, tapos nung nagkaroon kayo ng chance, no, either ibalik yung relationship, doon mo nakita yung effort niya. So, doon sa mga nagkaroon ng separations, whether it is physical or energetic separations, sometimes sinasabi nga natin, alam mo, minsan nagpapasalamat tayo sa separations kasi doon niya makikita yung halaga no? So dumating doon sa part na nakita niya yung halaga mo. Kaya nandito siya na nag-e-effort ngayon with the Three of Coins, the Chariot, and the Queen of Wands. Yung iba naman willing pa nga, no? I think someone here comes from a different city, state, or country. Uuwi pa nga dito, no? Yung iba, I feel like, no, pwedeng foreigner itong um, karelasyon ninyo. With the Three of Swords and the Star, I feel like babawi ito dahil kung meron mga part, no, na sabihin natin nasaktan ka niya, sabihin hindi ka ngayon sinasadya, pero nandun na nga, nasaktan ka, hindi yun excuse, sinadya o hindi yun excuse. Kaya nandito siya para ipakita sa'yo, no, na ready siya. I think kaya ka natatakot kasi ipapakilala mo to sa pamilya mo, no? Meron din ditong part na baka mamaya hingi talaga yung kamay mo, masashock din yung mga taong nakapaligid, no? So, anyway, congratulations. Nakakatakot, nakakakaba, pero seryoso, eto na, pinasok mo yan eh. Ginusto mo yan, di ba? So, this is your reading. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aquarius, no, I'm seeing Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer, Taurus. I am seeing Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn. So this is your reading for now, Gemini. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Take advantage on the many ways on how you can ask questions, and if you also want to avail the private reading, nandun po siya sa description box. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Capricorn June the 1st to June the 3rd. So Capricorn, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel din po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong i-check yung mga readings po sa kabilang channel, by all means, you're welcome. You're free to do so. Everyday reading na po yun. So, Capricorn. Ayan. Kung hindi po kayo maka-tempo, no, sa ating live sessions, sa comment section po, no, pwede kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ngayon, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, dito po sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your question, read the instructions, click submit. Or if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun po yun sa description box. No? Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Capricorn. Ayan. Ang nakikita ko dito parang merong aamin. Aamin na gusto kita, aamin na mahal kita, or mahal na kita, aamin na gusto ko nang makipagbate. There's something in here na somewhat hindi ganun kaklaro, no? Somewhat nagkagulo, no? Either doon sa mga myth separations, whether it is physical or energetic, nakikita ko na merong offer of reconciliation, may offer of apology. I'm also seeing in here, lalo naman doon sa mga, let's say, nasa mutual understanding or sabihin natin nakaka-crush, no? Nakakita na kayo dito ng hint, no, na, uy, parang feeling ko nagkakagusto na rin sa akin itong person ko, no? Feeling ko nagkakaroon na rin ako ng pag-asa. Ayan. Nasa iyo ang panahon, umaayon na ang panahon sa iyo with the 8 of Cups, the 3 of Cups, and the Chariot. Eto pa naman yung part na sana, yung, kumbaga yung sinasabi mo, na ayoko na nga, no? Kasi nakikita ko parang nawawalan ako ng gana kasi hindi naman nagre-reciprocate yung person. Pero nung humahakbang ka na palayo, doon mo na nakikita na parang, uy, hinahabol yata ako. Uy, parang nagpapapansin na yata yung person na ito. Now, with the Devil card and the Justice in here, I feel like meron naman talaga siyang nararamdaman sa'yo or meron na talaga siyang sabihin natin na meron ka talagang pag-asa. No, either nagpapakipot lang din itong taong ito, no, at first, kasi with the Devil card in here, parang yung control ba, no? Pero yung sinasabi natin na with the 3 of Cups, I feel like gusto niya, no? Gusto niya magkaroon kayo ng either date, makausap ka niya ng solo with the 10 of Swords in here, the Ace of Wands, and the 4 of Swords. Nako, nakakita ko dito either ng one night stand for a few numbers of you Capricorn. Kung nangyari na ito, I feel like this will be the key, to have a frequent conversation, a frequent dates with the person with the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Coins. So, ito nga yung sinasabi natin na pabukas na ang pinto. Kung ano man yung mga nagbukas, mas may magbubukas pa, no? Na opportunity between you and this person na parang to explore more. I feel like meron din ditong pag-amin ng gusto din naman kita noon pa. Hindi ko lang magawa kasi ganito, blah blah, yada yada. There is a reason, but I feel like binigyan kayo ng panahon, for you to either fix the issue, for you to continue the connection, or for you to start something new, no? Ang maganda kasi dito is yung inaakala mo hindi mangyayari is posible pala, no? So that is your reading for now, Capricorn. Let's check, no, the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Leo. I'm also seeing Capricorn, no? I'm also seeing Virgo. Libra is also here, Cancer, no, Pisces, and Scorpio. Ayan. So this is your reading for now, Capricorn. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, doon po yun sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Magtanong sa comment section, and I want you to know that there is a form. All you just have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions, click submit, follow the instructions, avail. No, yung ating private reading. So love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hi Cancer, welcome to your reading. So this is for June the 1st to June the 3rd, no? Cancer, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell, at kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa Babaylan TV, no? Meron din po tayong ibang reading, no, sa Babaylan TV. Moving forward to June, that will be also every day, so take advantage of viewing it. So Cancer, kung wala po kayong time para sumali sa ating live sessions, well then, dito po sa comment section sa YouTube, all you just have to do is to drop the question sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, or answer rather, there is a form. No, either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your question, follow the instructions, click submit. No, basahin pong mabuti. No, ayan. And kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng ating private reading, doon din po yun sa description box. So Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours, no? So let's start at Cancer. Cancer, ang nakikita ko dito is parang meron ditong sinasabi na hindi pa tayo tapos. Alam natin sa isa't isa na hindi ito dito natatapos. So there is a separation right off the bat. Now, the separation can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, different barangay, what have you. No, that's actually distance. Yung energetic separation, hindi nag-uusap. Meron tayong mga sinasabi nating tampuhan, no? Kumbaga naghiwalay tayo for a little while. Distance and communication may not be available for us, pero alam natin na hindi ito ang tapos. With the Ace of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Two of Cups, I feel like napaka-seryoso at napaka-balalim, no, ng pag-iibigang ito. Especially when it comes to sabihin natin na yung pain also, sa sobrang deep ng connection na ito, sa sobrang mahal nyo yung isa't isa, dumating tayo dun sa part na yung konting kibot, masakit, no? Parang sabihin natin na iyaking bata, no? Pero that's just a term, no? I'm not mocking the connection per se. Kasi sobrang, sobrang intense ng relasyon with the King of Wands and the Nine of Cups. So I feel like meron lang nasabi or merong nasabi that made the other person feel a little sensitive kasi either that is the whole truth or sobrang direct, no? Ang maganda naman dito is parang no barge, no? Kumbaga sinasabi nga na at least no honest ako. Sa sobrang pagka-honest, walang preno, no? Yung isang tao dito, it could be you, Cancer, or it could be your person. Now, with the Two of Coins, the Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Wands, so ang nakikita ko dito, pahupa naman na either yung galit, pahupa naman na itong inis, no? Kumbaga meron na rin somewhat nagpaparamdam, hello, nandito ko, no? With the Four of Cups and the Moon card, I feel like with the Four of Cups in here, sabihin natin may nagpapabebe, nagtatago lang sandali, no? kumbaga nagpapasuyo, no? Whoever this is, I feel like the moon card kasi parang ano pa ba yung kailangan kong gawin? Ano pa ba yung pwede kong gawin para suyuin pa itong taong ito? Pero somewhat nagpapakita na rin yung sinusuyo ng, okay, habulin mo ko, no, yung ganon. And I think that these are the gestures of them, na sila yung nagkakaintindihan. Yung iba siguro, kapag nandun ka sa labas ng relationship na ito, sasabihin ng, oo, naman nito. Pero hindi kasi nila alam yung nangyayari behind closed doors. So sila lang yung nagkakaintindihan na ito mga small gestures, ba't hindi natin ibigay sa mga tao nagmamahalan, no? Huwag tayo maging bitter. Ayan. So this is your reading for now. Cancer, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Scorpio, I'm seeing Leo. I'm also seeing Sagittarius. Taurus is here. It could also be Cancer. What I am also seeing is Sagittarius, no? Aries is also here, so this is your reading. Cancer, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dito po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Again, Cancer, maraming salamat. Don't forget, no, na pwede kayong magtanong sa comment section or pwede kayong gumamit ng form. You have the freedom to use or utilize all those stuff. Also the private reading, it's all in the description box. Love and light, namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hello Aries, welcome to your reading. This is for Aries June 1st to June the 3rd, no? So Aries, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell, no? Para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. Kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, no? Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Moving forward, magre-release po tayo ng video doon every day. So that's a totally different reading and it's a kind of like complicated reading din po. So kung gusto nyo sumali sa live session, sa kabilang channel din yon, Babaylan TV. So kung feeling nyo wala kayong time, no, or hindi nyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayong mag-ask ng question, no, dito po sa comment section. As long as the question is answerable by yes or no, no? Kung feeling nyo naman ay hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question lang, or sagot, sa description box po, no, meron po dong link. It's either you have to click the link or copy the link, then you will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. Ano po? Kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, doon din po yun sa kabilang channel. I mean, sa description box, pakibasa na lang po and read the instructions, no? So, Aries, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Aries, magsimula na tayo. Ang nakikita ko dito, meron talagang gustong mag-push nitong relasyon into another level of commitment, no? Parang sure na siya na itong relasyon na ito is panghabang buhay na. Ganun ka-sure itong taong ito na to a point na iniisip niya na ang cohabitation, proposal, marriage, or building a family. Or either lumipat tayo ng ibang lugar, no? Magsarili tayo ng ibang lugar. I think dumating na dito doon sa point na wala nang atrasan, no? Itong taong ito is para na sa akin with the Knight of Swords, the 10 of Coins, and the 6 of Coins. Siguro mapapansin natin or baka iniisip ng ibang tao, bakit ganito yung decision niya? Either kakasimula lang nila, parang ang bilis ng pace, no? Hindi kasi alam na nag-iipon itong taong ito. Whether this is you or this is your person. No, meron siya mga ipon at kumbaga Ang ganda kasi ng vision nitong taong to kasi bago niya pasukin ang isang relasyon, meron siyang kumbaga vision na kapag nagkaroon ako ng karelasyon, eto na 'to, 'no, at hindi ako magloloko. At habang nag-aantay siya na dumating ka, meron siyang mga iniipon. Kaya nung dumating yung time, hindi naman sinasabi natin, "O sige, sa'yo na 'to," or bongga ang buhay natin, 'no. Ang sinasabi ko is kahit papaano ready, 'no, ready itong person mo with the Page of Cups and the Two of Cups. I feel like itong tao na ito also is matagal ka na niyang gusto or either, um, kumbaga ikaw yung pangarap ng person mo. So, matagal ka na niyang gusto tapos inaantay ka niya, 'no? Kung meron kang karelasyon dati, inaantay ka niya, habang inaantay ka niya nag-iipon siya. Gano'n siya kabusisi at gano'n siya ka-devoted, 'no, sa'yo. It's not obsession, I'm not seeing obsession in here, to a point na yung manggugulo ng buhay ng iba, no. Um, Patiently willing, and with the King of Coins, the Knight of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. And I feel like kahit ganito tong taong to, yung ganun yung pasensya niya at meron siyang sabihin natin mga savings, ikaw pa rin ang masusunod dito eh. Ang nakikita ko dito with the Queen of Swords, ikaw pa rin ang may say. Kumbaga, taga-provide lang ako, pero ang batas, ikaw pa rin, no? With the Queen of Cups and the Nine of Swords, I feel like siguro nai-stress ka. Kasi bakit ganito siya kaseryoso? Eh, seryoso talaga yung tao. Anong gagawin natin? Baka nakatagpo ka ng isang taong para talaga din sa'yo, no? Ganun kabilis, ganun ka, kumbaga ka-concrete yung kanyang pagpaplano sa buhay. Kaya medyo nasya-shock tayo, no? Kasi never mo pa yata na-experience yung ganitong relationship na, wait, sandali, magjowa lang tayo ngayon, ang iniisip natin bumuo ng pamilya, or parang never ko pang narinig yan sa iba, no? So this is your reading for now, Aries. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be a placement in their chart or their sun sign. I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Taurus, Leo, I'm seeing Virgo, I am seeing here Capricorn, um, I am seeing Scorpio, I'm seeing Cancer. So this is your reading for now, Aries. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, take advantage on many ways on how to ask questions from me. If you also want to avail the private reading, nasa description box po siya. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hello mga katarot! Welcome sa ating reading. This is for Aquarius, June 1st to June the 3rd. Ayan, June na, no? So, napapansin natin yung tag-ulan. So, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, doon po yung sa kabilang channel, Zares Pabaylan TV. Ibang reading po yun, no? And kung gusto nyo rin pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon din po sa kabilang channel, no? So kung wala po kayong time, o hindi nyo maabutan, no, itong live sessions natin, huwag po mag-alala. Pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, kung wala po, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayong form, no, dito sa description box. All you just have to do is to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page, and then type in your question, click submit, follow the instructions, and if you also want to avail the private reading, no, dun din po yun sa description box. So Aquarius, this is general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Aquarius, parang feeling ko meron ng sabihin natin na kapag muni-muni at napansin niya na mali ang kanyang nagawa or meron siyang maling desisyon na nagawa. Now, I want you to know, this could be you or this could be your person. Now, what I am reading here is a dynamic at yung nangyayari no, sa sitwasyon, sa inyong relasyon. So, whoever this is, let's say siya yung nang iwan, no? Siya yung nagloko, sabihin natin, or mayroong hindi ginawang maganda. So, nandun na siya sa either na konsensya na siya, parang gusto niya nang bumalik, gusto niyang ibalik, no, yung dating relasyon na pagtanto-tanto niya na, ay, iba pa rin talaga, no, yung taong tinitibok ng puso ko at yung minamahal ako ng totoo. Now, with the Nine of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Eight of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko dito is kakausapin ka nitong taong to, no? Pero hindi mo na siya face-to-face. So, ang nakikita ko dito using internet, no? So, it could be WhatsApp, Messenger, whatever it is, no? Pero hindi siya face-to-face. Ngayon, nakikita ko na maraming pangako, no? Maraming pangako ang pwedeng sabihin nito. And which is gagawin naman yan, no? With the Nine of Coins in here and the Seven of Swords. So, ang nakita ko dito is parang ang naging issue nito is nanloko or let's say someone betrayed your trust. Panloko is very vague, no? Pwede nating sabihin niloko kanya because of a third party or niloko kanya kasi nagsinungaling siya, no? But from what I am seeing in here is hindi niya na ito gagawin or hindi na gagawin dahil sa mga again, yun na-realize niya. I think na iniisip ka nito gabi-gabi. Aquarius with the Queen of Wands, the Chariot, the Fool card, and the Six of Wands. So I feel like meron ditong age gap, no? Age gap, it may be May-December love affair. It may not. With the Fool card in here, parang pabugso-bugso ng decision also. No, malakas kasi ang loob niya, knowing the fact na mahal mo siya, pero hindi niya alam kasi din na dumating din dun sa part na, sige, sumuko na rin ako, no? And I think yun yung kinagulat niya ngayon. I think that there is distance between you. Either nasa kabilang barangay siya, no? Nasa kabilang barrio, city, state, county, country, different continent, what have you. Meron ditong honest communication na mangyayari. And when the sun, I feel like itong taong to is bago, no? Bago sabihin nating umalis itong season, no? Ng sabihin natin na or papasok itong tag-ulan, nandito na itong taong to. Very, very soon, no, itong taong to ay kakausapin ka at hihingi ng tawad at gusto niyang bumalik sa iyo, no? So, Aquarius, tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong ito. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Leo, Aries, Cancer, Pisces, no? Taurus, Sagittarius. So this is your reading for now, Aquarius. And again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, no? Sumali din po kayo sa ating live sessions, magtanong sa comment section, or gumamit ng form, nandun po yun sa description box. So love and light, namaste, see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Aquarius.